Nice! Great Uka Uka! It was that infernal bandicoot!
Oh my god, Coco, your dance is so... it's too much. Cute!
It's not over, Bandicoot. There are still the Dammit. We still have a chance to triumph.
There we are, that is it.
Jamie's blog.
Ooh, oh dear. Well, late night, so that was fun. Good evening into everyone. It's been a very quiet day here in Orlando, New York. Just been sorting out a couple of things, including doing the stream, which was hella awesome today, and just having some fun with that today. Fun with that. Hi, husband! You look sexy in that desk. Sexy. You know, just been relaxing, having a good time, seeing what's going online, and then just playing a bit of GTA 5. But honestly, today's stream just felt good. Just finishing off Crash Bandicoot and just having a flipping good time. So I'm happy there. I just came in recently and Chris showed me the recent Blizzard episode of Overwatch with May. And I have to say it's a fantastic story. And again, I want to find the people behind all these lovely cinematics from Blizzard and slap them repeatedly in the face and ask them why on earth are they not funding to get a movie out of Overwatch. It works so freaking well, guys. I'm just saying. Thoughts? Honestly, it looks bloody brilliant. And I know the game is alright and stuff, but honestly they're kind of wasting it for this game and stuff, which has been out for so long. I think it's high time they just went straight into just pushing it out. Get that into movie form. Looks well. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a night. It is getting quite late. Been doing some voice acting work. It's now 3:23. I've sent off the next batch to the team, so hopefully we'll see what happens there. I need to get some sleep. I am tired. I'm going to try and get up early tomorrow because I want to go to the hospital tomorrow, get some lab tests done for my stomach, see how that goes, but I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed, and if you have, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I shall see you tomorrow for a brand spanking new day, and hopefully it'll be better than the rest. So until then, take it easy guys. Don't stop.